Many businesses don't know which version of Microsoft Access they're using, and that's okay. Over time, versions change, files get updated, and systems evolve. At Winning Solutions Inc., our team helps you identify your Access version, analyze your database file type, and recommend the right path to modernize. The first step is understanding what you're working with. We perform a version audit to see exactly how your database is structured and how it interacts with your system. Here's what we check: your file type like MDB, ACCDB, or ACCDE, version compatibility with Windows and Office, and your data format and structure. We also review how your VBA code behaves in newer environments to ensure all automations and workflows remain intact after upgrading. Once we've identified your version and potential issues, we recommend a modernization plan tailored to your business needs. Your upgrade begins with clarity. Let WSI pinpoint your Access version and prepare your system for the latest Microsoft Access tools. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to begin your modernization today.